Hi, this is Brian Pasch, and I'm excited that in just a few days, on March 17th, Modern Retailing Simplified will kick off. It's a one-day conference designed for dealer principals, sales managers, marketing managers, even members of the automotive technical and OEM community, because we're going to be focused holistically on all of the changes and opportunities that we see for automotive retailing. We're going to be talking about technology. We're going to be talking about websites. We're going to be talking about training, sales process, communication strategies, everything to help dealers sell more cars in a digital age. We're going to be challenging the industry to rethink the approach and path we're currently on. We're also going to challenge the industry to ask one simple question: what problem are we trying to solve with our modern retail efforts? And are the disruptors shaking in their boots, seeing what we're doing? Well, we're going to have a very candid and open conversation with automotive leaders, public group leaders, vendors, technology, OEM representatives. Everyone will be united for a single day on a single conversation on how do we simplify modern retailing to really serve our customers and to be more profitable, more efficient, operationally efficient and profitable. Tickets are $97. It's the best value because all of the workshops, panels, and keynotes will be online for 30 days to allow you and your management team to rewatch, to discuss, and apply the great principles that we will be sharing. So what are you waiting for? Get your team registered for Modern Retailing Simplified March 17th, and I'll see you online as I host the show with members of the automotive community.